Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Bingx with almost zero fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application. Once you are on the home page, now at the bottom right corner, click on the assets. Now from here, you need to click on the funding, and after that click on withdraw and uncheck hide zero balances, and in the search bar search for USDT and select Tether, and after that you need to paste USDT address from Bingx to here. Select a network and amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. You have to check which network supports almost minimum fees. So there are two networks that supports minimal two fees. Those, the first is Aptos chain that supports zero, but it doesn't support in Bingx, so we have to choose the other one. So the other one is Tone, so we have to click on Tone, and from here minimize this and open your Bingx application, verify by fingerprint, and after that on the home page you need to click on the deposit. Now click on deposit button, and now in the search bar search for USDT and select USDT. Here you can see all the networks that supports USDT. Now at the bottom you can see Tone, simply tap on Tone, and after that here you can see your USDT Tone wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy the address or share the QR code. Simply minimize this and open your Bybit and paste that address here. And this memo section is optional, you don't have to put in Bingx. So right here in the amount section you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit account, and after that you need to click on the withdraw button, and after that it will take up to for 5 to 10 minutes to withdraw from your Bybit account and to transfer into your Bing account. After that your funds will be transferred permanently. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Bingx with almost zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.